Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will model this part in Solidworks. So let's go to Solidworks and let's model it. First I will close this. Here you can see that I am using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, as usual, I will change the background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters gram second. Okay. Let's select the front plane, sketch, and here I will create a center line and a circle. Okay. We have to revolve this. So first I will dimension this circle as 50 and this dimension would be 200 millimeters. Okay. You have to press shift button and select this center line. So you will create a dimension like this. Okay. You can see it is still underdefined. I will select this point, this origin and this center of the circle and make it horizontal. Now you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means that it is fully defined. I will go to here, features, Revolve Boss base. This is the axis of revolution and this is the profile. You can see the preview and select OK. So it's a donut-like shape. Next is I will create a extruded cut. So go to here, top plane, sketch, and here I will create a polygon with 6 sides, that is hexagon, and this dimension is 200. You can see it is still underdefined, so I will select this vertex and this vertex and I will make it horizontal. Now you can see it is fully defined. I will go to features, extruded cut, and this time I will use this option, flip side to cut. So it will create a cutout here. Okay. It will preserve this body and select this option through all both and OK. Now we have to split this object into 6 sides. So for this, first we will sketch 3 lines. Go to top plane, sketch, and here I will create 3 lines. One line joining this midpoint to this point, another line like this, and similarly one line like this. I will go to insert, features, and select this option, split. Select this body, cut part, and here I will select one by one. These are 6 solid bodies. Select OK. I will hide this sketch, and now you can see we have 6 solid bodies. Okay. Now I will go to this drop down. I will select mirror, and here I will mirror this part. So mirror face or mirror plane is this one. I need to mirror this body, so select this option, bodies to mirror, and OK. Similarly, I will mirror this part as well. So go to here, mirror. This time the mirror plane is this face, bodies to mirror this one, and select OK. Now we need to pattern this part, these 2 bodies, around this ring. So for this we need to create an axis first. So go to reference geometry, axis, and here I will select 2 planes like front plane and right plane. You can see the preview of the axis and select OK. Now I will pattern this geometry. So go to here, circular pattern, direction this axis, and bodies these 2. You can see the preview and select OK. Now you can see we have 18 solid bodies. So we need to combine these 18 solid bodies into one solid body. In AutoCAD it is called union, and in Solidworks it is called combine. So I will go to here insert, features, and here I will look for combine command. Here it is. I will select all 18 solid bodies, and operation type by default is addition. Show preview and select OK. And now you can see that in solid bodies we have only one solid body, okay? Because 18 solid bodies are combined. Now I will use move copy body command because I have to translate this object. So for this I will go to here insert, features, and then move copy. Here I will go to translate, and I will select this object, and I have to move this body 120 millimeters to be precise. You can see the preview. Make sure to check this box this time and select OK. Now we have identical copy of this object 120 millimeters in the Y direction. Okay, you can see Y direction is this one. Now I have to rotate this body, this one, 30 degrees in the Y direction. So for this I will go to insert, features, move copy, and this time I will go to here rotate. Make sure to uncheck this box because I do not need any copy now. And here I will rotate this 30 degrees in the Y direction. You can see the preview and select OK. Next is I will create a 3D sketch. And first I will create some center lines and another center line. Make sure that this center line and this face is normal to the surface. Similarly, this center line and this face normal. I will drag this to here. Okay, now we will create splines. Let's make one spline like this. And here I will drag the handle and I will make it collinear with the center line. Similarly, this handle, I will make it collinear with this center line. Let's dimension it. Let's make it 300. And let's make this handle 300. You can see this spline is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. And now I will go to features, swept boss base. I will choose circular profile. I will select this sketch and I will increase this size to 50 and select OK. Now I will use a pattern command to pattern this part. So for this we have a command called circular pattern. Direction is this axis, and features and faces this part. You can see the preview. There are 6 patterns and select OK. Now I will hide this axis and let's apply some color. So go to here color. You can apply some appearance from here as well, and let's make it purple. So that's how you can create this part in Solidworks. Here is an important message as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, Solidworks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even final year project. You can reach me through my email and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.